So I just want to show you this, okay? It's just a little bit about pronunciation, okay? You can see this here. So how many we have here? These different sounds, okay? We have the vowels and the consonants, ¿ya? Vamos a hacerlo un poco en español, ¿está bien?
Yeah.
¿Sí?
Consonants. A ver.
You got consonantes here. Aquí son los vocales,
Yeah.
the vowels, okay?
Yeah, right.
How many vowels are there? How many?
Yeah.
How many? Vowels. Normally, the vowels are A, E,
Sure.
I, O, U.
C.
Yeah, correct?
D.
A, E, I, O, U.
Voice.
Okay, so how many is there? How many? 1?
5.
5. Very good. Okay, so
5.
fantastic. Yeah, 5. But now, for speaking, we have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
5.
6, 7,
6.
8, 9,
9.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
There are vowels.
20 vowels in English speaking.
20.
20.
20 vowels?
Yeah, in the writing, 5. In the speaking, 20.
In speaking, 20 vowels.
Exactly.
In writing.
So yeah, so we have long sounds, okay? Long vowels, okay? This one. So we have the E. This is a long sound. It's long. E. Can you repeat?
E.
There you go. Yeah, good. Ooh.
Ooh.
R.
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 Okay. O.
For or door?
Well, same sound. Yeah. For, door, more. Or.
For.
Yeah, good. And
For.
and ah. Ah. Ah.
Yeah.
Good. Good. So now, hey, good. So let's repeat. Sheep. Sheep. Sheep.
I don't hear.
Repeat. Sheep. Sheep.
One more time.
Sheep. Bah.
Sheep.
This one here. Do you see it on the screen? Sheep.
Sheep.
Good. Now shoot.
Shoot.
Bird.
Bat.
Door.
Doe.
Good. Far. Far. Far.
Far.
Good. Maybe you can't see.
Far.
It's better like that. Better. No?
Okay. It's more.
Good. So those are the long sounds. Now the other ones are the short sounds. Short. So you got long and you got short. So this one is I. Ship.
Ship.
Good.
Good.
Good. Bed.
Good. Bed.
Teacher.
Bed.
Teacher. Teacher.
Teacher. Teacher.
Good. At. Cat.
Cat.
Up.
Cat.
Up.
Up. Up.
On. Good. So these are short sounds, yeah? Long sounds, E. And this one, ship.
Ship.
Sheep.
Sheep.
Ship.
Yeah. Ship.
Good.
Ship.
Good. What about this one?
Sheep.
Good.
Sheep.
Good.
Good.
Shoot.
Shoot. Shoot.
Good. Very good. Okay, so you see the difference. There's short sounds and long sounds. Yeah?
Yes. Yes. Ship. Ship.
Sheep. 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 Ship.
Sheep. Sheep. Sheep.
Excellent.
Sheep.
Okay, it's a rhythm. It's the length. Good, very good. And then we have these things called diphthongs. So these are dual sounds. These ones are a bit special. 1, 2, 3 are special because it's British English. Okay?
Yeah.
British from England. So we say here, here, ear.
Here.
Yeah.
Here.
Ear. Let's forget this one, yeah? Here, tour, and hair. Forget that one. Just go here. Just go wait. Wait. Repeat.
Wait.
Wait. Because these ones are called diphthongs, so it's two sounds. It's two sounds together.
Wait.
Yeah, it's like wait. This one, oi. Boy.
Wait.
Boy.
Wait.
Boy. Boy, very good.
Boy.
My.
My. Hair.
I. It's that sound. I. My.
My.
Excellent.
My.
Oh. Show.
Cow.
No, show. Do you see my mouse? Do you see? ¿Ves mi puntito? Sí, ¿no? ¿Lo ves?
Yes.
Show.
Show.
Good.
No. Show.
Good. And this one is ow. Cow.
Cow.
Excellent. Okay, so those are the vowels. Sheep, ship. Sheep, ship. Wait. Oi, boy. Yeah? So there is a lot of vowels in English, no? A lot of sounds.
Yeah.
Let's have a quick look at the consonants. Okay, the consonants. Similar in Spanish, consonants, similar. Okay?
No.
No, not exactly the same, but it's just, P, B, B, T, D. So if we look at the difference in the sounds, here we've got the mouth.
P.
Yeah. So if we look at this difference here with the B and the P. Now, the key difference is in your throat here. Okay? This is your vocal cords. So if we look at this one, we have B. Can you repeat? B. Okay, and now this one. So this one, B comes from the vocal. B. This. Now this one. Very good.
Yeah.
Now this one.
P.
Can you say it? Okay, let's try this one. There you go. Now there's no vibration. No vibration. So B. What about another one? Look at this one. Z. Repeat. Z.
Z.
Yeah, now this one.
Z.
Z, yeah, like a B. Z.
Z.
Okay, now this one. S.
Yeah.
S. S. Repeat. S. Uh-huh. So, Z. S.
Yeah. No.
Yeah, you don't feel it, do you?
No se ve acá.
Yeah. En español, uno
Yeah.
es con... Ya no sientes nada, ¿no? No sientes nada cuando dices es. No sientes. Pero aquí cuando dices z, ya sientes vibración. Ahora dices z.
Z. Z.
Ajá.
Z. Acá.
Ya, ajá, exacto. Ya lo sientes. Viene de aquí, es vocalizado. Z. So esa es una diferencia clave entre los sonidos en los consonantes. So todos esos, all of these ones are voiced, vienen de aquí. B. You want to repeat? ¿Quieres repetir? B.
Yes. Da.
No, not da, not da. B.
Ba.
Ajá. V.
Ba.
V.
Ba.
Now this
Va.
one. M.
Ma.
N. N.
No. No.
Uh-huh.
No.
M is with the closed mouth. M. And this one is con la lengua. Na, na. M, na.
No.
This one? Ing. Ing.
In.
Good.
In.
Ing. Ing.
In.
Yeah. Vocalizado. Vocalized.
In.
Da. Da. Da.
Da.
Okay.
Da.
Z. Z.
Da.
Z. Z. Can you do that one? Si regresamos. Yeah, if we go at this one, la TH en inglés, yeah? La TH puede ser vocalizado o no vocalizado. Think. Think.
Think.
Yeah,
Think.
think. Here, let's have a look. Here.
Think.
Yeah, think. Or this is different. En este caso es vocalizado. This.
This.
Yeah. I mean, yeah. Think. It's not think. ¿Se escucha así? Think. O se escucha así? Think.
Think.
Yeah. And eso se escucha.
Think.
¿Se escucha así? This. This. O se escucha this. This.
This.
This. Exacto. Dos THs, pero uno es vocalizado y el otro es aire. This. No, it's not this. It's this. And esto es. No es
And
think. It's think. Okay? So, la T y la D, same thing. Son muy parecidos en cómo se forman. D.
T y la
La T y la D es casi la misma. Ajá, ese es.
No sé, no diferencia.
Yeah, no, porque lo sientes. Exacto, está bien. Ajá. Eso. Ajá. So it's vocalized. Yeah. And this one,
Okay.
eso aquí. G. Ajá, yeah. So, eso es el clave diferencia.
Parece quechua.
Yeah, well, yeah, it's the same. Todos los idiomas funcionan así, con sonidos vocalizados y no vocalizados. Sabiendo que hay esa diferencia, te ayuda a entender el inglés. Y no solo el inglés, pero el español, ¿no? También, it's same thing, es lo mismo, really. But es importante porque hay unas diferencias, vocalizado o no. ¿Ok? So, podemos ver que la b es similar con la p, pero la b es vocalizado, b, y la no. O la v,
Como
Yeah.
F, what is F?
F. La F y la V están así en grupo juntos porque son casi igual en la vocalización y como se forman en la boca, solo la única diferencia es entre la vocalización o no.
Ya.
Yeah. Okay. So por eso, you got w. Eso es con los aquí, w.
Wa.
Now this is más arriba, ma. La, con la lengua arriba, la.
La.
Ajá. Ra. Ra. Ha. Detrás, ha. Yeah? Okay. Anyway, ya ves la diferencia, ¿no?
Sí.
And es importante porque en verbos, yeah, like for example, walked, yeah, tenemos la K que no es vocalizado, es entonces ese ed se cambia en T, suena como una T, walked. Walked.
No. Work.
Suena más o menos como así, walked.
Work.
Con la T, walked.
Work.
Yeah, okay, good.
Work. Y el otro es work.
No. Work is like this. This is work. Con worked. Walked. Worked. Worked. Walk. Mira mi boca, es círculo. Walked.
Work.
And this one is worked. Tienes que poner la T al final para que sea pasado.
Yeah, work.
Exactly. And in esto, let's have another one. Es con la D, yeah? Let's have a look. Played.
Played.
Ahora con la D. Con la D. Played.
Played.
Moved.
Moved.
Vd.
Moved. Played.
Uh-huh. Moved.
Played.
Good.
Moved.
Like this one is another one, ¿no? Like this. Kissed. Con la S no es vocalizado. Kissed. We kissed in the past.
Kissed.
Kissed. Kiss in the present. Kiss. Kissed. Kiss. Kissed.
No, kiss. No, con la D es kiss.
No se pronuncia con la D, se pronuncia con la T. Kissed. Excellent. Very good. Let's have a look here. A ver. Rolled. Not easy, that one. Rolled. Oh, what have I done here? Eso no está bien. Okay. Anyway, eso te da una idea de cómo funciona el inglés, you know?
Yes.
Eso porque es en la K terminada en la T, porque los dos no son vocalizados. Eso tampoco. Eso sí es vocalizado. Vd, vd, ld. O el vocal mismo, aid, aid.
Okay.
¿Yeah? Cuando el verbo termina en la T o la D, depend, por ejemplo, entonces aumentamos el id, depended, depended. Porque no podemos decir de. Entonces tenemos que aumentar el otro sílabal. Depended.
Depended.
Yeah.
Depended.
Exactly. O eso termina en la T también. Entonces es reported. Ya aumentamos.
Reported.
Yeah. So
Report.
Exactly. Eso es cuando aumentamos la ed. Yeah, porque terminamos en la D o la T. Yeah? Depended. Reported. Pero si termina en el vocal cuando no es vocalizado, entonces cuando es vocalizado, termina con la D, que también es vocalizado. Played.
Worked.
Yeah. Ok. So, finalmente, hay una pequeña cosa más. En inglés, a veces la T y la D se reduzca completamente. So, we have here water. Eso se llama el glottal stop. So, es una compresión de aire. So, you're going to listen, yeah? Listen, escucha. Water. Water. Water.
Water.
Es normally, yeah.
Water.
Yeah, now ahora, water. Water.
Water.
Exactly.
War.
No, not war. Water. Water.
Water.
Escucha, ese T no se escucha en el siguiente. Setback. Setback.
Setback.
Exactly. Football. Football.
Setback.
Football.
Football.
Exactly. No hay la T, ¿no? Football. No. Football.
Football.
Exactly. Football. Fitness.
Fitness.
Exactly. Clipboard.
Clipboard.
Yeah. Kitten. Kitten.
Kitten.
Yeah, exactly. Felt those. En este caso hay dos T's. Hay dos T's, so olvidamos uno. Okay, so that's just a pequeño parte del inglés. A veces reemplazamos la T o la D o la P y ponemos compresión de aire. ¿Ya?
Ya.
Esa es la terminación de mi pronunciación.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Learning English superior.